you go.
You keeping these, man? Yeah. Okay, yeah. Yeah, you can have, man. Me and my son just out here to see who catch the biggest one. Thank you, bro. That's my dinner right one there. Down there, dude. That's my dinner. That's your dinner. Man, what you talking? Come on, man. You just gave that fella that fish? Oh, yeah. Me and my son, man. We just out here wrecked. Hey, son. So we gonna catch you. Son, help me out, son. I got some hungry mouths at the house. What's going on?
I got one.
There you go.
There we go, guys. First one of the day. Get him in here. There we go, guys. Nice little white bass on the chartreuse swim bait. Nice little white bass right there, guys. Nice little white bass. And he choked that, guys. Look at that. He choked that. But overall, nice little small fish. Good starter to the day. Think things are going to pick up here shortly, so we'll see. But here goes the release on him. Gonna get him going back again. I might have to bring that back out in a second. I got faith in it. Got one. Hooked up again. Yep. A small one. Another one, guys, another one. Another one hit the chartreuse, another little white bass. I hope I got that on camera, guys. My brothers almost fell in the water. Woo. Anyway, there goes another little white bass, guys. Second one of the day for me. My dad already caught one. My brother's still 0 for 0. Let's get the release on him.
You know how your feet
Did it hit too? Yeah. A nice one? There we go, guys. My dad's hooked up. This time. Oh, there we go.
Oh, skipjack got off. That was a skipjack, man. Looking like you will. Somebody. Uh-oh.
You got one? You hooked on me or you got one?
DJ got one? Yeah.
DJ got one?
Yeah. Yeah, he do.
Yeah, my brother got one. Okay. First one. Okay, boy. On the chartreuse. Nice one, boy. Nice one.
I'm going to hold on to mine.
What? Crazy.
Yeah. Get y'all's weight up. Holding on to it.
He's kidding, of course. Nice fish. Nice fish. Look at the rod, DJ. Look at the rod. Just stare at it for a second. It might be the wind, I guess. Yeah, see what I'm saying? Just reel it in. Yeah, there goes a fish, DJ. There goes a fish.
Oh, yeah, it's on.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, yeah, it's definitely on there now.
I told you. Is it feel like catfish or a bass? Hey, don't fight it too hard. Let it play now. Let it play.
Yeah, you see that?
And y'all be talking about me.
Yeah, you see that?
Yeah, boy, get it in. Take your time with it. Take your time with it.
Oh, yeah, boy. Teetering, boy.
Take your time with it, boy. Take your time with it. Yeah, boy, I see that, boy. DJ really put it back in the rod holder, too. I told you there was a fish on there. What type of fish is it?
Catfish.
I think it's a catfish, probably.
It is, right?
It looks like a catfish. Yeah, it's a catfish. Handle that, boy. You got to reel it in. You got to take it off. This guys, brother just pulled in a catfish on our little cut bait rod we had going out there. That is funny.
Yeah, that boy fat.
That boy got a belly on him, don't he? Let's see how big it is, DJ. Okay. A little nice one there. A little nice one. All right.
Look at that, Dad. Big old stomach.
Look at that stomach on there.
Pregnant.
Let's get the release on her. Oh.
Wrong way.
It's trying to swim down. It's trying to swim down. Push it out.
There you go.
Nice fish, guys. Just caught him on the cut bait. I wasn't even recording. Very nice hybrid. Go ahead and release him. I wasn't recording when I reeled mine in.
You recording now?
I'm recording now. Look at this, guys. My dad just caught a nice one. You want me to get him on?
Yeah,
You gotta get him on. Here we go.
That's a nice one there, boy. And we come over here hitting.
There we go, guys. Very nice one right there. Get the release on him.